area. I don't know how this thing happen. Somehow, it just enter people mind say when you dey enjoy sleep well. Now wetin go dey happen? You go dey snore. When you just enter deeper realm of sleep, that na when you go just change gear. You wan go for some people go snore and e go be like say earthquake wan happen. Snoring no mean say you dey enjoy sleep. Snoring dey mean say something don go wrong for your airway. Your tongue don fall back. E come block your windpipe. You come dey struggle to sleep. First, you go dey disturb anybody wey dey sleep beside you. This na when some women when dem marry dey enter their husband house and dey sleep first day, or the man sleep first day and then the partner start to snore. They say, yes, I don enter am. I don buy market. I don chop breakfast. Snoring go disturb your partner. The other thing is say when you come dey snore, snoring fit be problem or sign or big problem. One problem wey we dey call for medicine, we dey call am sleep apnea. People wey dey get this problem, dem dey cross over quick.
Oh my God.
E dey disturb, dey cause cardiovascular problem, cause heart problem. That will be your portion. So if you get problem with snoring wey dey cross over to that disease wey I call sleep apnea, so abeg make you go see your doctor, make you handle am. Take care of this matter of snoring. You don hear now? Wetin you go do? What are you waiting for? Share am far and wide. I dey come.